Okay guys, welcome to Straight Yard TV. Today we're gonna do something special guys. We're gonna cook some squash here with some cucumber guys. You know them things are full of vitamin, loaded. And we have some saltfish here guys. Some people call it bacalao. We have some sweet potato. We have some blue cocoa. We have 2-finger banana guys. We have a mash up that today. And we have some flour with some cornmeal. We're going to make some cornmeal dumpling guys. So stay tuned and watch that one here. The one here cooking on some coconut milk with people so it go mad. When I say nice, see coconut people. I go break him. I go ahead and break him, clean him up, get him in a blender. Start with some prepping. Put the water on the fire and turn on it right away. So we'll put the saltfish in the water, you know. Get him scald off some of the salt and clean him up. You know it's already. I'll make something nice for you guys, something very healthy. And guys, it's not the regular cornmeal dumpling I'm going to make today. Today I'm going to make some cucumber dumpling. We'll change course today. We're not about to make some cornmeal dumpling. Cucumber dumpling. You know a lot of you guys don't know about that one though. Stay tuned and watch that one. I want to buy nice. People, see nice cups of saltfish here. Rinse them off and put them in the pot. Let the pot go and cook, you know it go. So I'll put them in the pot and on the people. Right, so we have to go ahead right away. Break up the coconut. Start getting going guys. So stay tuned for that one. That one was nice. So I'll go ahead guys and break up the coconut. Okay, guys, nice and pretty. Real coconut. Real coconut milk we're going to make today guys. No fat, no powder, okay? Go ahead and dig them out. Get them cut up because today we're not break nothing up here. Straight blender we are doing. Bone dry, like a nice. Bone dry. Nice and easy, nice and easy. So you can take them out of the shirt. Nice and easy. I think I showed you that earlier, guys. I'm going to wash them off, you know. Cut them up, put in the blender. And by the time the saltfish scald off, guys, blend out, I go work coconut and make some milk for me. Okay? We use some nice coconut milk. I'm done now when I got it. That was epic. Now I've cut them too fine because the blender really strong. The blender not strong enough, cut them fine like this. But my blender is strong, I really cut them like that and put them. Chop them. Like this. guys, remember the blender always give you a good result, but we know what I work with. Grater always give you a good result, guys, all the time. And the grater coconut to get the best result, but you don't know what it is, you still get the result with the blender, you know. Trust me. I don't know how much time to grate a coconut again like this. Sometimes we find time to use it. Prefer use the real coconut than the coconut milk or coconut powder. Okay? That's why we have to do real authentic cooking, guys. Guys, we are going to blend up the coconut and we'll get right back to you because the coconut is going to make a lot of noise, okay? Stay tuned and watch that part when you finish. All you have to do, guys, just get on some water from the blender. Some coconut and some water. Put it in the blender and blend it up, okay? So just stay tuned and we'll get right back to you, guys, when you finish. So, okay, my people, this is the coconut. Here's the coconut milk. I'm gonna just juice him out and strain him out, guys. Get rid of all the trash. Okay? I'm gonna juice him out to people like this. And if the juice out to me, take out the trash and squeeze him out. And then we have to strain it. The strainer, okay? These are the trash. Stay tuned, watch the video, guys. We'll come right back to you when we finish. Okay, my people, so now we're finished with the coconut milk. It's very pretty. I already squeeze them out, now we have to strain them out, okay? Get out all the trash, guys. I don't need no trash in this coconut milk. Okay? All the trash. Alright, my people, nice beautiful coconut milk. What we're talking about. Stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. Because today we're going to do something epic. Today we're going to make some cucumber dumplings, guys. With some squash. Cooked down with some saltish and coconut milk. With some dumplings, guys. You know what kind of dumpling? Cucumber dumplings. I want a special, guys. I was going to make candle dumpling in my mind, so you know what? Do the cucumber dumplings. It's a long time you don't do that one. And I don't remember cooking it on the channel, so you know what? See, I'm going to cook it on the channel with some food. I'll show you guys how to cook that one because that one is very nice and delicious. And you know that one full of energy, guys. Stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Alright, now people, we are going to put down the coconut milk on the fire now. You go and stay one side for a while. Until I'm ready to turn him on. I'll get the sausage up and running. I'll get the cucumber line up. Need the flour. So guys, this is the squash. And you guys don't know this is a very important food. It's good for you guys. Full of vitamin C. Full of vitamin B6, guys. So you know this is something healthy. Okay? And this is the same thing. The cucumber is full of vitamin C, guys. And full of natural nutrients for your body. Water substance. All these things. This thing is healthy, guys. So I'm going to make some cucumber dumplings today for you guys. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Because I know you never seen this one. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead. You can grate the cucumber if you want. That's one. If you don't have a grater, work with the blender because that's what I'm going to do right now, guys. I'm going to use the blender. Because I don't have time for the grater right now. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to peel them up. Put them in the blender. Get them puree the way I want them. And then you're going to see the step from there. Guys. Stay tuned and watch that one. It's going to thick. So I'm going to go ahead and peel up cucumber them, guys. Stay tuned and watch that one. Alright, people, see, when I cucumber in the blender already, we're going to use one cucumber, guys. So we're going to go ahead and blend it out. We're going to We'll just give a little tip of water in it, because we want it to be pure, fine out, clean like a water. Just drop a little bit of water. Now we are blending, guys, so stay tuned. We'll finish blending, come back here. So okay my people, the cucumber here. So it puree out like a water. That's what we're talking about. Puree fine out like a water, people. That's gonna be the mixture for it, okay? Alright my people, so we have some flour in the pan already. We'll add some salt, some pink salt. That's what I work with today. Guys, use enough salt to your taste, because I'm not the amount of flour I'm using right now is like about a pound. Alright guys, so this is the mixture that I'm going to use to mix the flour. Okay? What I do, I put a little bit of water on it, and the cucumbers, blend them out. Straight out. See that guys? Smelling so nice. So this is what we're going to use and mix up the flour instead of water, guys, okay? So we make cucumber dumpling, guys. Okay? Cucumber dumpling is going to be so nice, guys. You're not even going to know you're eating dumpling, trust me. You're going to be tasting it and say, oh, this tastes like cucumber. This cucumber dumpling. So nice. And guys, you just don't throw it one time. Throw it little by little because you don't want the flour to spoil. Make sure you have some flour put on. Like I have a big bag of flour here, so if mine spoils, it's no problem. But you have a little bit of flour, you don't want it to spoil, just throw it little by little. Okay? Let's get the texture you want. My peeps. Stay tuned, I'm going to knead up the flour and then I'll get right back to you guys. Okay my people, here is the flour, see? Looking nice, okay? That's well kneaded and ready to go, okay? Here is the blender, it's empty. I use all the juice to knead the flour guys, so I need like 1.5 pounds flour, okay? So, I'm going to get on the pot on fire now guys, and I'm going to start cook that. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start do the saltfish in the coconut milk. Bama, squash, and cucumber. Okay guys? Stay tuned for that one. I'm going to go an epic one nice. Guys, I'm going to try this one. It's very healthy at home. Nice and decent. Okay? So stay tuned and watch me to the end. One love, straight to your TV, in the kitchen. Okay guys, I have some boiling water. Some water I'm going to put on to boil the dumpling and the food provision. So I'm going to add a little salt in it. Alright? Let the fire go and do some work. Boil up the pot, get him boiling. Flour already need people. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the saltfish guys. See him here? I'm going to clean them up. I'm going to get them nice and clean. So I'm going to put some cold water on them and then strip him off, clean him up, get him ready, and then put the coconut milk on. Let me start do some boiling, and then I'm going to add saltfish and all these ingredients guys, so stay tuned and watch out for that. The coconut milk is already on the fire, not turned on yet. Cucumber dumplings already need. That way I match up to them people. Something nice, quick and healthy, okay? 2 finger banana, sweet potato, 2 pieces of blue cocoa. That's what we are dealing with them people. So stay tuned, watch the video, one love. Straight to your TV. Go clean off the saltfish there now. I show you this already now guys. But I will always teach you guys and always show you over and over. Until I've got it. Okay? We're doing taking off the scale guys. And after it, that's all. I'm gonna take out the bones also. Okay? First you put it in some cold water after it just done come out of the hot water. Put it in some cold water, let it sit for a minute. Put some cold water on it again and you're ready to clean, just like this. So easy coming off guys. Very easy. See? Very easy. 1, 2, 3. Nothing hard. You can just pull that out too. You got the bones on the back. pull these out the same way like that. Very easy. Quick and fast. Nothing hard. You have to make sure you clean him up properly. Like how I see I'm cleaning him up, taking out everything. Yeah. So stay tuned guys. Watch the video. And I'll come right back to you as soon as I finish cleaning up the starfish here guys. Okay my people, so see there. See potato in the pot already and the cocoa. One of them not, well, the cocoa not too good, so we have to throw it out. And we'll make some dumplings from the pot. Know it go. Make some small and some big ones, because you know some people don't like the big ones. Some people like the little baby body ones. And some people like the big chunk. But I like them anyway. Small, medium, or large. They go in one place. Same place them going. Them cucumber dumplings are gonna guys, they're gonna nice. When you eat them, they're gonna make you feel strong. All you're gonna want is roast. Then you finish it all this. Cook down saltfish with the squash. Oh Lord guys, all you're gonna want is water. You're not gonna want nothing more than water. Alright, so stay tuned, watch the video. And guys, remember when you start to watch the video guys, give it a thumbs up. Guys, thumbs up, thumbs up. Like up the video guys and share it out. And please subscribe to the channel and help the channel to grow guys. Straight to our TV, you know we always welcome all of our viewers and our subscribers over here. We don't have no problem on this side guys. We just do straight cooking, teach people to cook and show people some different type of cooking that they never see before. That's what we do guys, okay? I will show you from start to finish so you can do it your own self. And that's how we do it here guys. Straight Yard TV, okay? And this one is going to be so nice and epic, okay? Because these dumplings here guys, when you taste them, you're going to want to taste them again. Trust me. That's what I said. Do it just the same way I do it guys. Try it at home. Tell me about it later on. I know you're gonna love it. And this cooked saltfish with the squash guys. It's gonna be so nice with it. First I'm cooking it in coconut milk. Oh Lord. You're not gonna wanna stop eating that people. And then cucumber dumpling, nice. So stay tuned. Watch the video to the end. One love. Peace. Alright my peeps. See there? What I go on with himself. Blue cocoa go on with himself. Dumpling them go on with themselves. So we are cover it up people. And make the fire go and do some work. So stay tuned. We are going to get into the saltfish now. With the squash and the cucumber guys. See coconut milk here? It's already on the fire. We're going to turn him on and on and start doing things too. Because we're going to call this, so we're not going to do nothing more with this guys. This is just need to cook and eat. So as soon as it cooks, we turn the fire off. So right now it's cooking. I'm just taking it easy with that pot. I'm putting it on like 7, 6. Let it go and take time cook, medium low. Now we just put this fire on with the coconut milk. I already show you how I do the coconut milk guys. I already show you how I break it, open it, cut it up, blend it out, juice it out, strain it out. Okay guys, so now we have it on the fire. So only thing I'm gonna do, drop a little tip of salt in it because you know coconut milk calls for salt guys. Calls for a lot of salt. So I'm not gonna put a lot in it right now because I just put a little pinch in it. Because the only reason why I'm putting that little pinch guys, the way I wash my saltfish, I leave back some salt guys to go back in the coconut milk to blend it out the right way so I don't have to add no salt. Okay? I'm just putting a little pinch in it for now. But stay tuned, watch it here. So my guys, see the saltfish here my beautiful people. It's already call off, already clean up. Take out the bone and everything guys, it's ready to go in the pot, but not yet, so stay tuned. Watch what's going on. So right now my people, coconut milk up on fire, we are going to peel up with squash. Okay? Get them ready. I'm going to get all the ingredients ready for the coconut milk. Okay my beautiful people? Just stay tuned and watch this video guys. This video is off the chain. Those dumpling guys, they're gonna be so nice. You ever heard about cucumber dumpling guys? Try it at home. So right away I'm gonna go ahead and peel these and the cucumber, get them together, and then we come right back to you guys. So stay tuned, watch the video. One love, Straight Yard TV. Up. Okay, my beautiful people, so I'm gonna cut up the cucumber you know, okay? Cut up the cucumber then, my people. This is the squash. Same thing. Cut up the squash. Alright. I want one scotch here. Smell well nice, you know, my people. I put a little piece in the coconut milk. I'm still going to put some more in this, guys, but you know, give like a flavor from early. And this scotch bonnet are really hot, you know, guys. Really, really hot. So what I do, my peeps, I pre-season up the coconut milk. So we're going to put a piece of thyme in it, piece of scallion, crushed tubes of garlic, put them in. Make that go and cook, my peeps, give some flavor. So you know what I'm going with this coconut milk, and soon ready to add all the ingredients to the coconut milk, my people. See that? That come down nicely. Okay? Come down properly. Nice, people. Alright, so the coconut milk have just 2 little cups of food in him. I go on with himself, you know. So over here, so I have some thyme. I have some basil. All of them things I go in the pot, you know, my people. I go nice. And basil over here, so I have thyme. Go ahead and cut up a blue onion here. Cut up a piece of scallion here. Just put this scallion in my pot already, my peeps. When we put in the saltfish and ready to touch down now, you know how it's going to go. A piece of red bell pepper, my peeps, put him into. Now, yes. Now, that's right. Alright, so we use half of the white onion, my people. Use the smallest piece. So all of these, my people, you gotta have to watch how I'm going to do it. I'm just cutting them up and get them ready. So you know when you're ready to cook, cooking time. Have a little piece of yellow bell pepper. We use it as well. Be a flavor going to be in this pot, my people. Flavor on top of flavor, vitamin on top of vitamin. Wow. Be energy in the pot here. Green peppers, bell peppers. Put some in it too. Therefore, that one I got epic in my people. Epic. That's good there, so. A nice tomato here, my people. I'm going to cut him out. Cut him up in it too. know how it's going. It's a pot that go full of flavor in my peeps. Flavor on top of flavor. It's gonna be so smart. Like take out seeds and what I can get out. I don't like use seeds in the tomato, but sometimes I do. Alright. So that is all the ingredients, my people. We're gonna put in it. Okay? So we look up some garlic here, I cut them up in the two, although we put garlic in the pot already. No garlic can't too much. Be a flavor with garlic. So see the ingredients here? Ready and waiting to go, my people. So stay tuned. As soon as the coconut milk get where I want it, I'm gonna add the saltfish and I'm gonna add the ingredients. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video straight to the end. One Straight Yard TV. Follow me guys, do it the same way I do it. You're never wrong. Good result. Tastes delicious. Okay my beautiful people. See coconut milk that go out with himself. I'll put in the saltfish on my people. Put in the saltfish. Saltfish. One. Coat like coconut milk and flavor it up with some flavor of the saltfish guys. And then we're going to season up the pot with all those beautiful ingredients you see I just cut up. You know how it go. See that? Now we are going to do it, get a stir around, just spin around, do it, see that? Kind of bottom right down more in my people, just start. See that? See all them beautiful oil coming out from the coconut already. Wow. Right. That is getting where it's supposed to go guys. That is doing thing. Alright my people, this is the cucumber, this is the squash and all the ingredients that I just cut up a while ago guys. So I'm going to put everything in the pot now because it's getting down there, okay? It's getting where I want it to be. Okay? You know these are water-based stuff, they don't need a lot of water to cook. I don't put no water in the pot, it's just a straight coconut milk, that's it. Don't add nothing more. You gotta know what dimension to put it in, so it don't go too low. And you have enough to cook it down right down, you see? This is the perfect thing I have here. Perfect amount of juice, see? So when this cooks all the way down guys, guys, you don't want to meet it. You have them saltfish, you wait till they cook down and I cook that milk and wait till everything go right down guys. This is gonna be so nice and delicious. Guys, can't wait to dig in on it. And the only thing I'm adding to this pot, my peeps, I'm not adding no heap of seasoning to this pot, just some black pepper. Just some black pepper. This pot is going to be cooking naturally. Just a little bit of black pepper. And you know the scotch bonnet in it already guys. Kicking. So I didn't even have to put black pepper, but you know when I'm cooking saltfish I like to have my black pepper in the saltfish. That's it. Basically it guys. No more seasoning going in this pot. Now this pot is already nice, ready to go. Okay? See that? Just gonna touch it down now. Once you see I cook these down now, I'm gonna put the fire on high. Getting right down to gravy now, my people. The food pot is here, it's already done. I'm gonna turn him off right now. Let him sit here and relax. Until I'm ready to eat it. Now I'm going on high with this one. So in the next say 15 minutes time, we're done. We're ready to eat guys. So stay tuned. This one's gonna be so nice. Full of vitamin, full of energy, full of taste. So tasty and the palate my people. Check it out back home. One Straight Yard TV. Remember when you're watching this video, like it up, give it a thumbs up. Share it across the world guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Straight Yard to cook up some mad things in the kitchen. Every day, all day. Okay my wonderful people, look at it. See it's here? Coming right down. The cucumber and the squash are going out with himself. like coconut milk. And the saltish I go on with inside the people. But you know me can't cook them pot here without some okra in a hit. Because right now, we are drawing right down right now, you know, so we are putting some okra in it. You know, some man love the okra with people. Can't do without the okra. So we are putting some okra here now. And make them cook right down in the oil level. Go down to gravy. So when this simmer down, you know how it go. So when you go nice with people. Just want to go down a little bit more and it's ready. Because we have all the way down to oil. Here is the cucumber dumpling, them ready. Banana ready, blue cocoa ready, sweet potato ready, everything ready with that people. So let's wait on this and now we'll kick up the fire a little bit more. So we get rid of all them juice and get it right down to gravy. So stay tuned and watch the video to the end guys. One love, straight to your TV. Okay my people, pot already cooked. So I go on, I share out some food I know for eating my people. I'm going to mash up some of the food I know, see that? Right down to gravy. So me I talk about? Yeah. So, I'm going to put some in some plate now, my people. Right there. 6 ingredients, my people. Some type of ingredients here. I need people to eat them. Alright? So we are going to mash up some little food here now. Tell you what I'm going later on. Them okra, them want to eat them. Them okra, them want to eat. I love eat okra. And all these squash and all them things. Eat them people. Oh, nice beautiful plate. This done cook, you can't take it out of the fire. Right now, it's a time get him out. Don't do the work already. Next piece of time we have to get him out. Okay my people, so guess what happened? We finished cook now. So we are going to dig in it now my people. See all these nice soft sweet potatoes? These are Jamaican potatoes now people. Flavor up and running guys. Nice. Just sweet. Right now we're going to the cucumber dumpling with people. I'm going to tell you how the cucumber dumpling is. Yeah. Cucumber dumpling is full of flavor in people. Sweet. I want you to try it back home guys and tell me how it tastes. I don't know this one is a home run. It's a home hitter. Guys, how this dumpling nice and the food nice. I'm gonna have to sit down, I'm gonna have to eat, and I'm gonna tell you what's going on later. Cause right now I don't have time to talk, you know. Well hungry. Ask for the food.
Yeah man, cucumber dumpling. First ever. Nice. I love it. Gonna try it myself. Food full of flavor, you know? Yeah man. Okra in the back, you know? Keep the box strong. Thumbs up.
Alright guys, once straight to your TV, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. And always do it like I do it guys, get the good result. Once straight to your TV, up and running. We out guys. Enjoy yourself, have a beautiful day.